So between 30th of May and the 10th of June, I was seeing various freight movements and engineer remarks in and around the Ayrshire coastline. So my first one will be on the 30th of May, where we go to Howwood C3Q62, the early 1222 turn up at 12:14, the Slateford Depot to Falkland SSUTU train with 37099. And then moving to the day after, on the 31st, we go to Johnson to see 4M82, the 1833 Moss End to Daventry, 68007 and 88007. And then we go back to Paisgilver Street later that night, where we see 2T31, the 2054 ScotRail service to Largs from Glasgow Central with 380011. And then this is 4M30, the 2001 Grangemouth to Daventry with 66181. And then just moments later, here came 4S44, the 2103 Daventry to Moss End with 88006 and 68016. And then my last catch of the night would be 6X61, the 2114 Kings Park to Kings Park UTU train with 37099. And then we go to Johnson train station on the 1st, where we see 6R46, 0815 Grangemouth Innes to Prestwick BP oil loaded aviation fuel with 56087. And then my last catch would be at Johnston on the 10th, where we go to see 1QX75, the delayed 1857 turn up at 1905 Moss End PLPR train with 37,254 and 175.